Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Buddy. Today is the sixth session of 50 most repeated NEET MCQs. Till now we have covered the entire class 11th chapters unit wise, and today I'm going to provide you with 50 most repeated NEET MCQs from unit 6, that is the first unit of class 12 NCERT biology, reproduction. So do read all the 4 chapters that come under this unit before attempting this video. If you have read them, let's start with the video. Question number 1. The secretory phase in human menstrual cycle is also called follicular phase, lasting for about 6 days, luteal phase and lasts for about 13 days, follicular phase and lasts for about 13 days, luteal phase and lasts for about 6 days. Secretory phase in human menstrual cycle is also called. Correct answer is option B, that is, it is also called as luteal phase and it lasts for about 13 days. Question number 2. The first movement of the fetus and appearance of hair on its head are usually observed during which month of pregnancy? Fourth, fifth, sixth or third? During which month of pregnancy is the first movement of fetus and appearance of hair on its head is seen? Correct answer is option B, in the 5th month. Question number 3. Copper ion released from copper releasing intrauterine devices make uterus unsuitable for implantation, increases phagocytosis of sperms, suppress sperm motility, prevent ovulation. Copper ion released from copper releasing intrauterine devices. The correct answer is option C, that is, it suppresses sperm motility. Question 4. Functional megaspore develops after 3 successive division into. Functional megaspore after 3 successive divisions develops into embryo, ovule, zygote or embryo sac. The correct answer is option D, that is embryo sac. Question number 5. Drugs that can cause malformation in developing embryo during pregnancy are called teratogens, nicotine, tranquilizers, alcoholic beverages. Drug that causes malformation in developing embryo during pregnancy are called as. The correct answer is option A, they are called as teratogens. Question number 6. Bartholin's gland is found in penis, stomach, liver or vagina. The correct answer is option D, that is in vagina. Question number 7. Which set is similar? Corpus luteum, Graafian follicle, sebum, sweat, vitamin B7, niacin, bundle of His, pacemaker. Which set is similar? Correct answer is option A, corpus luteum, Graafian follicle. Question number 8. Which one of the following statements best characterize the testis? The seminiferous epithelium contains only proliferative cells. Functional compartmentalization of the seminiferous epithelium depends on tight junctions. The interstitial tissue contains few capillaries. The seminiferous epithelium contains numerous capillaries. Which one of the following statements best characterize the testis? Correct answer is option B. Functional compartmentalization of the seminiferous epithelium depends on tight junctions. Question number 9. Vegetative propagation in pistia occurs by offset, runner, sucker, stolon. Vegetative propagation in pistia occurs by. Correct answer is option A, offset. Question number 10. Which one of the following is monoecious? Cycas, pinus, date palm, merchantia. Which one of the following is monoecious? Correct answer is option B, pinus. Question number 11. The second maturation division of the mammalian ovum occurs shortly after ovulation, before the ovum makes entry into the fallopian tube, until after the ovum has been penetrated by a sperm, until the nucleus of sperm has fused with that of ovum in Graafian follicle following first maturation division. When does the second maturation division of mammalian ovum occurs? Correct answer is option B, until the ovum has been penetrated by a sperm. Question number 12. Which one of the following is the correct matching of the event occurring during menstrual cycle? Proliferative phase, rapid regeneration of myometrium and maturation of Graafian follicle, development of corpus luteum, secretory phase and increased secretion of progesterone, menstruation, breakdown of myometrium and ovum not fertilized, ovulation, LH and FSH attain peak level and sharp fall in secretion of progesterone. Which one of following is correct matching of the events occurring during menstrual cycle? The correct answer is option 2. Development of corpus luteum corresponds to the secretory phase and there is increased secretion of progesterone. Question number 13. Ectopic pregnancies are referred to as pregnancies terminated due to hormonal imbalance, pregnancies with genetic abnormalities, implantation of embryo at site other than uterus, implantation of defective embryo in the uterus. Ectopic pregnancy refers to. The correct answer is option C. It refers to implantation of embryo at site other than the uterus. Question number 14. Spermatogenesis is under the regulatory influence of spermatogenesis. ADH, FSH, LH, STH. Spermatogenesis is under the regulatory influence of. The correct answer is option B, FSH. Question number 15. Which hormone is secreted in a woman if pregnancy has occurred? Estrogen, progesterone, luteinizing hormone, human chorionic gonadotropin. Hormone secreted if pregnancy has occurred. The correct answer is option D, human chorionic gonadotropin. Question number 16. The scutellum observed in a grain of wheat or maize is comparable to which part of seed in other monocotyledons? Cotyledon, endosperm, aleuron layer or plumule? The correct answer is option A, cotyledon. Question number 17. Seminal plasma in humans is rich in fructose and calcium but no enzymes, glucose and certain enzymes but no calcium, fructose and certain enzymes but poor in calcium, fructose, calcium and certain enzymes. The correct answer is option D, fructose, calcium and certain enzymes. Question number 18. Which of these is not an important component of initiation of parturition in humans? Synthesis of prostaglandin, release of oxytocin, release of prolactin, increase in estrogen and progesterone ratio. Which of the following is not an important component of initiation of parturition in humans? Correct answer is option C, release of prolactin. Question number 19. Which one of following condition in humans is correctly matched with its chromosomal abnormality linkage? Down syndrome, 44 autosomes plus XO. Klinefelter syndrome, 44 autosomes plus XXY. Color blindness, Y-linked. Erythroblastosis fetalis, X-linked. Which one of the following condition in human is correctly matched with its chromosomal abnormality? The correct answer is option B, Klinefelter syndrome, 44 autosomes plus XXY. Question number 20. Menstruation is due to sudden reduction of FSH, increase of LH, reduction in estrogen and progesterone, none of above. The correct answer is option C, sudden reduction in estrogen and progesterone results in menstruation. Question number 21. Which of these is used to control human population? Estrogen plus progesterone, IUCD and MTP, tubectomy and vasectomy, all of above. Which of these is used to control human population? Correct answer is option D, all of above. Estrogen plus progesterone, they are referring to the pills. Question number 22. Which one of the following statements about human sperm is correct? Acrosome has a conical pointed structure used for piercing and penetrating the egg, resulting in fertilization. The sperm lysine in the acrosome dissolves the egg envelope and facilitates fertilization. Acrosome serves as sensory structure leading the sperm towards the ovum. Or option D, acrosome serves no particular function. Which of the following statements is correct about the human sperm? The correct answer is option B, that is, the sperm lysine in the acrosome dissolves the egg envelope and facilitates fertilization. Question number 23. Which one of the following statement about morula in humans is correct? It has almost equal quantity of cytoplasm as an uncleaved zygote but more of DNA. It has far less cytoplasm as well as less DNA than an uncleaved zygote. It has more or equal quantity of cytoplasm and DNA as an uncleaved zygote, or it has more cytoplasm and more DNA than an uncleaved zygote. The correct answer is option A. It has almost equal quantity of cytoplasm but more of DNA when compared to an uncleaved zygote. Question number 24. Transmission tissue has characteristic feature of solid style, dry stigma, wet stigma, hollow style. The correct answer is option A, solid style. Question number 25. Endosperm is consumed by developing embryo in the seed of maize, coconut, castor, pea. Endosperm is consumed by the developing embryo in the seed of. The correct answer is option D, pea. Question number 26. In human female, the blastocyst gets implanted into uterus 3 days after ovulation, gets nutrition from uterine endometrial secretion only after implantation, gets implanted in endometrium by the trophoblast cells, forms placenta even before implantation. In human female, the blastocyst. Correct answer is option C, gets implanted in endometrium by the trophoblast cells. Question number 27. Fetal ejection reflex in human female is induced by release of oxytocin from pituitary, fully developed fetus and placenta, differentiation of mammary glands, pressure exerted by amniotic fluid. Fetal ejection reflex in human female is induced by. Correct answer is option B, fully developed fetus and placenta. Question number 28. Which has an additional X chromosome? Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, superfemale, Down syndrome. Additional X chromosome. Correct answer is option B. In Klinefelter syndrome, there is an additional X chromosome. Question number 29. Which extra embryonic membrane in humans prevent desiccation of embryo inside the uterus? Chorion, allantois, yolk sac, amnion. Correct answer is option D, amnion. Question number 30. The signals for parturition originates from placenta only, placenta as well as fully developed fetus, oxytocin released from maternal pituitary, fully developed fetus only. The signals for parturition originate from. Correct answer is option B, placenta as well as fully developed fetus. Question number 31. Which is regarded as urinary bladder of embryo? Amnion, allantois, chorion, yolk sac. Correct answer is option B, that is allantois. Question number 32. A change in the amount of yolk and its distribution in the egg will affect pattern of cleavage, number of blastomeres produced, fertilization, formation of zygote. A change in the amount of yolk and its distribution in egg will affect. Correct answer is option A, pattern of cleavage. Question number 33. The part of fallopian tube closest to the ovary is isthmus, infundibulum, cervix, ampulla. Part of fallopian tube closest to ovary is. Correct answer is option B, that is infundibulum. Question number 34. Hysterectomy is surgical removal of prostate gland, vas deferens, mammary glands, uterus. Correct answer is option D, uterus. Question number 35. Which of the following cells during gametogenesis is normally diploid? Spermatid, spermatogonia, secondary polar body, primary polar body. Diploid. Correct answer is option B, spermatogonia. Question number 36. What does the filiform apparatus do at the entrance into the ovule? It guides the pollen tube from a synergid to egg. It helps in entry of pollen tube into a synergid. It prevents entry of more than one pollen tube into the embryo sac. It brings about opening of the pollen tube. What does the filiform apparatus do at the entrance into the ovule? The correct answer is option B. It helps in entry of pollen tube into a synergid. Question number 37. Unisexuality of flower prevents autogamy and getinogamy, autogamy but not getinogamy, both getinogamy and xenogamy, or getinogamy but not xenogamy. The correct answer is option B. It prevents autogamy but not getinogamy. Question number 38. Which of the following statement is incorrect about menstruation? Beginning of cycle of menstruation is called as menarche. During normal menstruation, about 40 ml of blood is lost. The menstrual fluid can easily clot. At menopause in the female, there is specially abrupt increase in gonadotrophic hormones. Which of the following statement is incorrect about menstruation? The correct answer is option C. Menstrual fluid can easily clot. This is an incorrect statement. Question number 39. The hemoglobin of human fetus has higher affinity for oxygen than that of an adult, has lower affinity for oxygen than that of an adult. Its affinity for oxygen is same as that of an adult, has only 2 protein subunits instead of 4. Correct answer is option A. It has a higher affinity for oxygen than that of an adult. Question number 40. Consider the statements given below regarding contraception and answer the question as directed thereafter. MTP during first trimester is generally safe. Generally, chances of conception are nil until the mother breastfeeds the infant up to 2 years. Intrauterine devices like copper T are effective contraceptives. Contraception pills may be taken upon once a week after coitus to prevent conception. Which of the two of the above statements are correct? The correct answer is option 4, that is option A and option C are correct. In statement B, generally chances of conception are nil until the mother breastfeeds the infant up to 6 months, not 2 years, 6 months. Lactational amenorrhea is the term. Contraception pills may be taken up to 1 week after coitus to prevent conception. That's wrong. Emergency contraceptive is there, however, it is effective only up to 72 hours. So, not 1 week, 3 days after coitus, till 3 days if contraceptive pills are given, conception can be prevented. So, A and C are correct statement. Question number 41. In human adult females, oxytocin causes strong uterine contraction during parturition, is secreted by anterior pituitary, stimulates growth of mammary gland, stimulates pituitary to secrete vasopressin. In human adult females, oxytocin. The correct answer is option A, causes strong uterine contraction during parturition. Question number 42. In ginger, vegetative propagation occurs through offsets, bulbils, runners, rhizome. The correct answer is option D, rhizome. Question number 43. Which one of the following may require pollinators but is genetically similar to autogamy? Xenogamy, epigamy, cleistogamy, getinogamy. Correct answer is option D, getinogamy. Question number 44. Which of the following animal is not viviparous? Elephant, platypus, whale, flying fox. Correct answer is option B, platypus. Platypus is not viviparous. Question number 45. Which one of the following is considered important in development of seed habit? Heterospory, haplontic life cycle, free living gametophyte, dependent sporophyte. Correct answer is option A, heterospory. Question number 46. When pollen tube enters through micropyle, the process is called as porogamy, chalazogamy, mesogamy, epogamy. When pollen tube enters through micropyle, the process is called as. The correct answer is option A, porogamy. Question number 47. The outer wall of pollen grain is made up of cellulose, sporopollenin, pectrocellulose, lignin. Outer wall of pollen grain is made up of. Correct answer is option B, sporopollenin. Question number 48. In unilocular ovary with a single ovule, the placentation is marginal, basal, free central, exile. Correct answer is option B, basal placentation. Question number 49. Sertoli cells are found in ovaries and secrete progesterone, adrenal cortex and secrete adrenaline, seminiferous tubules and provide nutrition to the germ cells, pancreas and secrete cholecystokinin. Sertoli cells are found in. Correct answer is option C. They are found in seminiferous tubules and provide nutrition to the germ cells. Question number 50. Apomictic embryo in citrus arises from synergids, maternal sporophytic tissue in ovule, antipodal cells, diploid egg. The correct answer is option B, maternal sporophytic tissue in ovule. So those are the 50 MCQs for today. I'll see you guys again tomorrow at this very place, this very time with another set of 15 MCQs of our daily jumbled questions. And next Sunday we are going to cover Unit 7 of NCERT Biology Class 12. So read all the chapters of that unit. So I'll see you guys then. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful. And if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.